Anyone up for egg boil? You hear me knocking? Well, let me in, friend. Okay, so let's jump right into it. First, you want to grab your eggs, but only boil as many eggs as you know you are going to eat. I boiled myself 10, and this is a chart that you use for how soft or hard you want your eggs. Now, let's get into the seasonings. This is everything that I use pictured here. I use exactly 1 tablespoon. Depending on your taste buds, use more or less. Okay, friend, this is where you about to do your big one when you make that butter sauce. Now, we don't want to have no strokes, so make sure you use unsalted butter. Now, I'm going to start by julienne the onion, and I'm going to move that to the side until that butter is melted. Okay, big bag. Don't walk away from this butter while it's melting, because it will burn. Okay, sister girl, once all your seasonings is in the bowl, you're going to put that to the side, and you're going to add that in once your onions are translucent. We don't want them crunchy. Translucent onions for me, please. It's going to take about 4 to 5 minutes to get them like this. Once your onions are translucent, then you want to go in and sprinkle your seasoning on the top and get that mixed in nice and well. Keep stirring until everything is combined well. And you're going to trust the process when you do this, guys. I know it looks kind of wonky right now, but it's about to look so damn good in a second. Because we're going to add in 1.5 cups of water. Because we did use powdered chicken bouillon, make sure you go in with your 1.5 cups of water. Now, you can omit the powdered bouillon and add chicken broth. And you can skip this step right here. But if you don't, please don't forget to add your water. That's the key ingredient. Now, since our eggs are done, we're going to put these in a cold water bath. Now, if you got ice, do an ice bath. If you don't, cold water will do just fine. After a few minutes of cooling, go ahead and start to peel them. This butter sauce right here, I let this simmer for about 10 minutes or so, and I took some out, put some to the side, and I poured the rest all over my eggs. And this is what I call egg boil in seasoned butter sauce.